Do you think it takes a lot of time and money and energy to clean that water? Yeah, it does, right? Do you think the river could ever be so polluted?
We're here at Deep Bottom Park for an exciting, unique opportunity with a grant that we received from the Department of Recreation and Conservation.
Y'all feeling strong?
Yeah.
Awesome.
We're able to take the students from some of our Title I schools here in Henrico out onto a pontoon boat where they're doing a fish trawl, and they're able to learn about the James River ecosystem and our watershed that we live in here in Richmond.
Drop the rope and find your seats. Give yourselves a round of applause. Good job, guys. Good job.
We caught a common carp and also a bowfish. So they were really excited to make some observations about the fish and be able to touch and see and observe what the fish are doing in their natural habitat.
You want to try again? Okay. There you go. Good job.
Way to face your fear.
Good job.
Remember, scoop from underneath. Scoop it up.
You want to hold it?
Yeah,
Look at that. That one's called a spot tail shiner.
As we enter into the wetlands, if we are listening, if we want to be able to hear things, how do we have to sound? Yeah. We want to be super quiet. What do we call a natural disaster when there's too much water? Your house does what? It floods. Nice. So we had a flood. So a lot of people call wetlands nature's kidneys because they're doing the exact same thing. They're filtering out the water in the planet and keeping it nice and clean. We're gonna open up our eyes and ears and try and observe everything that's going on around us.
I think the greatest part has been seeing the kids really excited about taking care of their community, worried about the pollution and the environment, and making sure that we create a safe, healthy ecosystem for everyone.
Some things that you could do to make the James River healthier. Yes?
Recycle more.
Yeah, you can recycle more. Very good. Like what? Recycle what?
Like plastic.
Plastics?